have this Montessori education box for kids that are 7 to 12 months. This is from TOOKYLAND, so let's go and open up and see what's inside. It comes with a little booklet to help you navigate the things that are included. So these are for 1 to 6 box, and then kind of goes through all the different ages. So it comes with 6 different toys, and it's going to tell you to go through this one first, then second, and it's different puzzles and things like that. So it actually tells you how to play with each toy, such as this rattle, and then you have the hedgehog roller, the first puzzle, and then the object permanence box. So let's go ahead and open them up. These are all well made, so this is nice wooden material. I don't feel any little slivers or anything like that loose. Really nice quality wood, lightweight, curved edges, so it's not going to cut or hurt your kid in any way. Nice soft blue color. There's a hedgehog roller here. Again, no sharp edges, nice wooden material, so you're not going to expose your kid to any harmful plastics. This is the rattle. So if you don't want to open them all up at once, each and every box does have a label on it, so you know what to open. So this is for the object permanence box, so let's go and open that up. As you can see, these are all nicely sustainably wrapped with paper rather than plastic. So far, very impressed with what I'm getting for the price, especially. This one is the first puzzle and wooden block. The first puzzle, essentially, you can change out the baby's picture. You can stick your baby's picture inside rather than this random baby. You just cut it in a circle and throw it in there with the double-sided tape, and you can have your baby's picture inside, or yours, or your or the dad's, mom's, or the family picture. That's kind of cool. And then you have the little book, wooden book with little animals in there. Very nice, also wooden, nice soft material there. And then of course you have the soft building blocks. And these are silicone materials that are squeaky. And of course they are stackable to make towers, things like that. And there's plenty of them in here, as you can see. Probably 16 or 12 or so of them. So lots of things in this box. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.